Google Flow Frame to Video Tutorial. First, you either need to upload a video on Google Flow or you need to create a video in Google Flow. Then you need to click on that video to open that video. And what you need to do, you need to save the absolutely last frame of that video. Just move it a bit like this. Okay? And then here where it says save frame, click here to save that last frame. So you can continue your next scene from that last frame, so it will be continue smoothly. Then you need to go back here, and this is the last frame. You need to click here on these three dots, and you need to click here on animate. And then here you will choose video, and then here you will choose frames because you wish to animate this frame here. Choose the aspect ratio. I will choose 9:16. I will choose Omni Flash. Duration 8 seconds. And here I will choose ×1. It will cost me 12 credits. Here I need to give it a prompt. This is my prompt. Click here. And now Google Flow will animate this frame to a video. Just give it a few seconds to process this. Okay, Google Flow finished animating this frame into a video. Let me click here to see how this looks. So this is how you do frame to video in Google Flow.